keep watching to have a glance into a productive day of our life.
Do you know what this is?
Yeah,
We used to be obsessed with this.
yeah, I still am. So money market is a short-term market and capital market is a long-term market. Their instrument to need the money back, they give it at the par value 20 rupees instead of 1000. After the commercial papers, same as T-bills, treasury bills minus current liabilities.
Whoa.
Money market, short-term borrowings and lending to meet.
I just made a square. See?
That's a cube, not a square. I'm a 3D.
And
I'll
wait,
fix it
now you
properly.
need to
Give
do
it's not a cube.
See, this is an optical illusion.
No, it's called something. I forgot.
Pentagon.
No, not pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides to come.
Now I want to make that.
After completely ignoring my sister when she was literally disturbing me during my exams, she went alone to her room. So she started, I don't know, showing all the stuffs that we got. So I don't know why mom was like, you know what, just take an order from outside. And we were like, oh, cool. And she just planned on showing you foods and making you guys feel hungry, I guess. And of course, she always has to be extra as always. So we had ordered chicken wings, fries, and pasta. And it was actually pretty good. We normally order from Onesta, and the fries and the chicken were from Easy Bites because like it's really close to our place. Because otherwise, they took a lot of money for traveling. What do you call that? Traveling? Packaging? Something. But like you get the whole point. And then her room, oh my god, it was such a mess. Like what she does is like she says that she's like a very clean person and she comes and nags at you, but guess what, her room itself is gonna look like trash. She would just throw her clothes like after coming back from the office, and she'd say the excuse like, oh my god, I come back from office at like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. So what, clean your room. We had to take photos for our passport because we were going to Japan, and we ended up eating again because we were anyways out. So my sister, she said she wanted to eat pav bhaji and I had ordered some chat. And obviously, as always, we would like order 2 different things and we would share it among ourselves. I really didn't want to eat her food, so we didn't share it that day. But yeah, we almost had a fight over here too. And look at the way she's acting completely normal as if nothing happened. And then she was also trying out her dress. Like it's mandate when you're like cleaning your room, you're gonna find stuff that you like and you're gonna try them on. So here she tries out her lehenga that she just got it stitched, and this sari which she's overacting again. And here, oh my god, I'm telling you, she doesn't work this much at home. She's just taking videos so that it looks like she's working and she's like doing a lot of stuff. But trust me, I'm the one who does all the work because she goes to office and she'll be like, oh, I can't help because I'm going to the office. Liar.
So I got something. Tell me how it looks.
You showed me because this is your kurti.
It was only a part of it. Seriously,
I saw the entire thing. She showed me the prints of the side as the same in the front.
So it's a set.
Oh, I thought it came like one piece here, one piece there.
This is what it looks like.
Damn, I can see it so clearly. Like,
This is the pant.
But doesn't it look a bit like what Amma would wear?
No. It's so
Like a bit
detailed.
old.
No.
Very detailed,
See
man.
the work on it?
So detailed.
Guess how much
I
it
guess she
costed?
hasn't seen Indian temples.
Guess how much it costed?
1.5k.
On the dot. Did you know? Did mom not tell?
No. Even yesterday, I guess mom's sari was 2k.
Yeah, how's mom's sari?
Not bad. Amma was like
I
too
like it.
colorful or something.
It's so pretty, right?
Like one side was grandmother's sari and the other side was mom's. Like the contrast was amazing.
And I got some nail polish.
Sure.
Good.
Damn, it's popular or what?
Yes. Then I got a clip, guys. I've been wanting these clips forever.
Oh
it's like the
yeah, people have it in my college.
clip. And this clip has been pretty trending.
What? This one?
Yes.
Oh yeah, but everyone in my college has that. This one has it, that one
It's
has it.
everyone's wearing it. I don't get why.
Yeah, they even just put it on their bag like
Yeah.
that. Mostly
I
they
thought
do
it was so
that.
expensive.
This one and this one. This one is a bigger one. She has a
Yeah,
bigger
the bigger one, but that's too expensive.
Mm.
And do you like this kind of stuff?
I like this, not this. How will you clip your hair with this?
Bye guys.
Love these kind of clips because they're like extremely soft. And then later I thought to like just sit with myself and have a bit of fun, and I started solving this puzzle. I had actually found this in my drawer. It was very old, and I found these crayons which are erasable. Yeah, you can erase these crayons, and I used to keep them safely because I used to really like them. So I never used it much, so I just took it out. And again she's cleaning her room. Like, she's just trying, you know. I'm not pretty sure, she told me to make this one's thumbnail like a productive day in the week. Girl, she's not productive, trust me bro, trust me on this. And then later we went to our cousin's place and we were playing. Bro, this puzzle was like so hard. I don't know how that kid could solve it. Like, even me and my sister was just staring. Even if there was numbers, it was so hard. Then later we went down their apartment, and bro, their apartment, so it got renewed, like the clubhouse and everything, and I'm telling you, it is so cool. They had a sauna like in their apartment, and they also had in their clubhouse, my bad, not apartment, clubhouse. And they also had like their yoga room, and their dance room was like so pretty. Like, look at that, like I would live there, that's how pretty that is. And guess what, they had a squash room, squash, whatever you call it, but they had that. Like, that's so cool. Like, I mean, I would just say that, but like, even if I had it in my apartment, I'd be just so normal with it. But yeah, their shop is amazing. They can get like, there's everything from stationery to food to stuff that's like wow. Like, I would just, it's my dream. Like, if I had enough money, I would like rob their entire shop, especially the stationery, because like they had a lot of stationeries, and I love stationery so much. And then we wanted to get noodles, so we tried getting something like the Korean type noodles, because we don't actually eat much, so we were trying that out. And I was telling her how to make the mixture for this, and she was like, ew, no, that's not how you do it, as if she knows how. Like, trust me, I've seen more K-drama than her, and she thinks that she has the privilege to speak on how to make Korean noodles. Like, girl, relax. And here she's trying to ruin the video, but like everybody knows that she's a psycho either way, so like I was just blocking her for saving your guys' eyes. And here I have my pretty nails too, and I was making it. She's trying to act creepy, like, bro, more of the screen. And yeah, I was making the sauce, and she was like, oh no, that's not how I make it, blah blah blah. You just can't hear it because I muted it, so that's what's going on in the background. And then there's actually a lot of powder in this than I expected. And as I was in the process of mixing the powder with the liquid that was given, I got it all over my hands, as you can see over here. I really like my noodles. I don't know why she was like, ew, I don't like it, because she added a lot of water in hers. I'm like, don't add water, you're not supposed to add water. But she didn't listen to me, so serves you right. So that's it for this video. Follow for more content like this, and hit that subscribe button, guys. Have a look inside our product. Keep watching to keep watching productive. Keep watching. Have a look, have a view, have a for a productive vlog in our day. Productive day in our life. Okay.